Time to go test this out on a bulldozer.
Morning. How you doing?
Weather and the dew.
I hear you.
Little flows.
These are like a little speaker, or?
No, those are hard drive cases.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to make a hard drive external.
Oh, that's neat. That's cool.
You know, the power's there, but no cables. That sucks. I'm sure I got the cable somewhere.
Would you do $1 each on these?
Sure.
All right, I'll do that. Take those. There's that for those. I'll flick around more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, one time I had a camera that did that.
Did you? For a microscope?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
I don't know whether they make all kinds of adapters anymore.
Yeah.
For different cameras, but that's a fairly small
Yes. Yeah.
end of.
How much you want for this? $1. You gotta close it. I don't know. I do $1. I don't know. Do that. There you go. Thanks.
Telescope I'm selling.
What's that?
I got a telescope I'm selling.
Those aren't for me, I don't think.
I had no idea. I'm not a fishing person. And
Yeah.
I don't know one pole from the other.
About 10 for me, though. Any other rods or just those?
Yeah,
Just those?
right here.
Yeah.
And most of them haven't been used for a long time. I'm not sure what's in there. You won't get that.
All right.
I had fun playing with this.
Oh yeah.
It's a laser leveler for a bulldozer,
That's kind of cool.
and it works.
Huh. For a bulldozer.
Yeah.
It's gotta be pretty old, right?
You put that on the blade of the bulldozer, as what I understand, and then there's like a target,
Huh. That's
and it
interesting.
just helps the guy, because he's normally bouncing up and
Yeah.
down, so it
That's
helps him
kinda cool.
level.
That's kind of neat. Interesting. Does it turn on or not?
Yeah. Well, the batteries are out. Everything
Interesting.
I'm
Bullseye.
sure they have newer
I'm sure.
newer versions now, but if somebody lost theirs and wanted a replacement,
Yeah. How much is that?
I was holding out for $100.
Oh, $100.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's cool. I don't know if I'd ever use it. I don't have a bulldozer. I'm back. I just need to know what model that
I'm not gonna call my friend. He might want that light. I gotta see if it works. Bullseye 2. He said the 6 is the one he wants, but let me call him. It definitely works.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the batteries in.
How much did you want for it? You said, or the best you can do? Did you ever use it or no? No, you just had it. Do you have the mount bar? Because he said there's a mount bar that goes with it. That's,
So. I don't know. Think you can go 50?
50?
Get it to work.
Can you do 20? 'Cause we don't know if it works. He does work on them. I'll do 20 bucks. I mean, I'll take the chance on it. I mean, you're not gonna do nothing with it.
Okay.
We'll do that. I'll mess with it at home.
Like I said,
I'll call them up.
they're hard to sell on eBay or something because of the shipping anymore.
Yeah, I know.
This sucker's heavy. It probably cost 30 bucks. There we go.
There it goes. Up. Cool.
So
Stay on.
there's a trick to it. So.
All right, I'll figure it out. Cool. Well, there's that. Appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you.
There's that.
Finn, I think we're gonna need a bigger bulldozer. Oh.
Both monitors, TV or just monitors? Both monitors. Oh, second one's TV? TV? Here. Some remote, I guess. That might be.
Do you have any digital antennas?
Digital antenna. No.
How much you want for the fishing stuff? Fishing rods.
Oh gosh. They get $5 a piece. That work?
Hold up. Let me take a look at them.
Getting old.
Boy, I tell you, is that bitch.
What are these used for?
Put a little gel capsule.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's one of them right there.
That's what it is.
No, it's just, you just light it. It sits on a table.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Do $10 for the 3?
Sure.
Cool.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that.
One of my fishing poles broke yesterday. Going around my boat.
Is that right? Yeah, but those are freshwater poles.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. So I just picked up these 3 fishing rod and reel combos. I got all 3 of them for $10. These 2 right here are Quantum Optic rod and reel combos. I'm gonna sell those in my garage sale about 15 to 20 bucks a piece. This one was the money item right here. It's Abu Garcia Black Max Baitcaster rod and reel. The reel's worth about, I'd say about $40, and then the rod is worth about $40 to $45. I'm gonna split those up on eBay, make max money. When you're looking for rod and reel combos, look for some good brands, Penn, Shimano. You got some nice rods like G. Loomis, St. Croix. But when you're looking at these rods, make sure the rods all have their eyelets, the inner eyelet pieces, these ceramic pieces, because if they don't, it devalues the rod. I would also make sure it's a full-length rod. You got the full-length rod, it's worth a lot more money. So we just got back from garage sailing, picked up a lot of good things today. These first two things I got here, they're actually for a computer. You take an internal hard drive and you can actually take them out and put them in this apparatus and make it an external hard drive. And this is actually a cooling fan for them as well. Bought each one for $1 a piece, and they're actually worth about $25 a piece. And then we got this little microscope for a camera. Picked it up for $1 as well at the same garage sale, and it's worth about $25 to $35. Also got these two fishing rod holders for a boat. Picked them up for $3 each. They're worth about 15 bucks each, about 30 for the pair. And then this cool little old school ice cream scooper. I don't know if it's worth much, but I picked it up. It was, what, 50 cents or 75 cents. Couldn't beat that. Now this is the money key. This is money right here. Right here. Oh yeah. So this is, had no idea what it was when I first pulled up and looked at it. It's for a bulldozer. It's a laser light, and I'm not sure exactly if you're grading or leveling on a property. I'm not sure if that's exactly what it's for. It actually ended up, he wanted up $100 for it. I came back to the garage sale, and I was like, hey, let's see if it works, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, what's the best you can take? He's like, $50. I'm like, well, let's get it working. And then, of course, it wasn't working. So I was like, I'll just give you 20 bucks. And he said, that's fine. Then we ended up getting it working. And it's funny, but he sold it to me for $20 anyways. So I looked up the comps on these before I went back to the garage sale. The reason I went back is because the comps were freaking huge. So there was newer versions of this selling for anywhere from $600 to $1,500. This is a little bit older model, so I'm thinking I can get at least between, at least $200 to $800. But we'll find out. I'm gonna list this puppy on eBay today.